Yo, what's good, beautiful people? It's your boy Emmanuel, aka palmwinepapi. Welcome back again to the channel. Before we get right into it, be sure to hit the like button, subscribe if you are new here. I do a bunch of Afrobeats album reviews, reactions such as this as well. Definitely check out this content and the content on my other channel as well. Alright, today we are looking at TENI Makanaki. Okay, TENI Makanaki, following up from her debut album this year, called Wonderland. If you haven't seen my review for that, absolutely go check that one out. An amazing album which I felt deserved a lot more conversation. I felt like the album kind of came and went. There's a lot to be said about the album, hence why you should go check out my review. There's a lot to be said about it, but it was an album that definitely needed a follow-up video or something else to bring the album back into conversation. And that's what this video is aiming at doing. This is a very strong number off of that album, Hustle. Hustle is a song that obviously just from the name you can tell what it's talking about. That very relatable narrative of striving to be better and just pushing through no matter what, all the obstacles that come in life. You can see TENI tackle that similar subject matter on a classic record, Uyomeyo. Like, I love that song so much, and that was the energy I was even wanting to see a lot more of on the album, and this song Hustle basically tackled it and did it for me, man. Without any further ado, ladies and gentlemen, let's go right into this video. The visuals have been looking crazy, like the snippets have been looking crazy. I'm excited to check this one out, man. Oh shit, Thunder. This is the dark side of Wonderland. You see how this contrasting with the actual rollout of the album. By the way, one of the greatest rollouts of an album we've ever seen. It's contrasting with the colorful and bright display that Wonderland had before. Oh, that's obviously telling us that this is showing the dark side of Wonderland.
I won't talk my mind.
Let's go.
For anyone with feeling
let's go. Lidi Makula, yo. Hey.
Sometimes it feels like success is a trap.
The depth of the lyrics in this song, man.
It feels like people don't understand. Cause the pressure plenty and the expectations high. Even your day ones were supposed to get your back. Sometimes they ones they fight.
Damn.
Everybody has an opinion. But now you supposed to live your life.
Wow,
and even people we're supposed to show you the way. Now the people they backbite. Not be pride, not be ego. Sometimes I gotta change my mind. Sometimes I gotta stay behind. Sometimes I will have to say no.
I love that they have the lyrics out.
Down top my head, may this pressure don't go drive me insane. So if you see me outside and I know
TENI's a good actor, man. Nah, TENI is too talented. I think she even remember when she was on KKB show. Remember she has her acting chops down, man. And this level of emotion that she's displaying already, it feels very authentic. And I love the fact that they actually have the lyrics written out for people to actually understand, because that's how crucial this song is. Like, what she's saying is holds so much substance and so much weight that it has to be plastered in your front for you to know that this is the core message of the song.
So if you see me outside and I know greet you, no
oh, that's her. That's supposed to be the father.
Now this house is like this.
Yo. Oh my goodness. This is insane.
This also can be so overwhelming.
Yo, this is sick. Obviously, I'm sure we've all seen the clips and snippets of this video on her Instagram where she showed the behind the scenes, and this particular shot to achieve, shout out to the director, man, TJ Omori. And obviously they're trying to tell a story through this. You saw a scene where her mom was scolding her and the father came in the picture, and obviously the father treats her like the pet, you know. And if you know TENI's story, if you know much of her story, is that she lost her father at a very young age. And I don't know how much of a parallel this might have with her true story, but it's just deep, man. It's just deep.
I got so many things that the reason no bother me. One iru pala o kongolele ikilo setani ko sherio. Cause family go call, enemy go call, I don't know who is who.
Hey, that line. I just like that she there was a lot of emphasis on that line because family go call, enemy go call. I don't know who's who, because that's the messed up thing about life, man. People that you would think your bloodline keeps you loyal to each other, but that's not the case. That's obviously not the case. And people that you put all your trust in can easily turn backs on you and stab you in the back. And I mean, it's just reality, man. I'm sure people can relate to it.
No be pride, no be ego. Sometimes I gotta stay away when I have nothing to say. Sometimes I will have to say no.
Yep, you have to say no sometimes, man. Sometimes. That's for sure, man. You have to take care of yourself. Self-care. You fool sometimes, you know? Oh my goodness. Wow. Chills, bro.
Of course, them say TENI bumpers. Yeah, cause I put myself first.
Put yourself first, man.
They say TENI bumpers. Yeah, it's all love, brother. Yeah, it's all love. Whoa, it's all love, my brother. It's all love, and I'm good with it.
Wow. Okay, the transition into another record. Hello, oh, see feels. What? Okay, what's this transition, bro? Hey. Mad. Okay, that was interesting. That was a very interesting video. Now, to remain objective, from a very cinematic standpoint, I was kind of hoping it didn't go as fast as it did. A lot of parts of the story was moving kind of quick, and you kind of had to like pay attention to it. And there were a lot of amazing shots, just from the cinematography standpoint. I think they're amazing shots. The shot from the burial ground, I feel like that was epic. Like, I feel like there needed to be more shots from that scene right there. I thought they needed to stretch it a little bit, have like a dramatic pause. Kind of felt kind of quick, you know. But at the end, we kind of saw how they're trying to transition. I think what was the last line of the song? When she said, "But I'm good with it," and you can see her transition into a much more happier, much more brighter tone, and that was Injure Me. But I was kind of hoping that they stretched the story a little bit, because the substance from that story there's a lot to get out of it, you know. But regardless of all of that, I think it's still a beautiful video, beautiful record. Okay, beautiful record. Hustle is an absolute vibe. I'm hoping she's going to make more videos to songs from the album. I think Injure Me is without a doubt gonna have its own video. I don't know if it's out yet, but they're definitely teasing us with it here. Let me know what you guys think about this video. Let me know what you guys thought about it. I know there was a lot of requests for me to look at this one, and I think it was amazing. It was definitely worth the wait. If you're new here, don't forget to like, share, tell your friends, subscribe, you know, all those good things. Check out the rest of my content. I put out a lot of content here and on my main channel as well. Link in the description. Yeah, thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys on the next one. Peace.